Hi, in this video we're going to look at a QR code that you can get from your Coinos account for your customers to be able to pay you. So if you go to your homepage and click the QR icon here, and go down to the third item in this list, it's called a reusable payment code, and it starts with LNURL. And if you click the QR icon here, it brings us to this page where we have this printable square or card that you could print off and put up at your cash register or somewhere in your store for your customers to be able to pay you. So the idea here is that someone is going to come along with their phone and they may open their Lightning wallet. I'm going to use another wallet called Wallet of Satoshi just to show that this works with other wallets besides Coinos. And I'm going to go and send a payment here. It's going to bring up my camera. Hi. And I'm going to scan the QR that's on my screen there. Now it tells me I'm paying Bob at coinos.io, and I can enter the amount that I want to send. So we'll send 1 Satoshi. And in a sec, this should confirm, and Bob will receive that. We can see in his transaction history, he received 1 Satoshi. And that's it. We've received a payment, and this URL doesn't ever change, so we just can scan it again and send another payment. One interesting thing that you might notice is if you go and generate a specific invoice with a specific amount in it, let's ask for 21 Satoshis, and we won't add a tip here. So now we've generated an invoice, and this QR has the amount encoded in it. But if we go back, the LNURL QR, which we already printed off earlier, there's no way to change that, but it's still going to work through a little bit of magic that we have. So let's try scanning it again. Go to Wallet of Satoshi, send, and scan. And magically it knows that we're looking for 21 Satoshis. So what's happening here is that LNURL is reaching out to our server and asking for the latest invoice. If it finds one that was generated within the last 5 minutes, it's going to return that to the wallet that's scanning the URL. So let's send that, and this time we should get a 21 Satoshi payment. And yeah, there it goes. We received it here. So this is something you could potentially integrate with your point of sale system. If you use our API to generate invoices with specific amounts in them, then you can have your customers just scanning this fixed QR code, and it will pre-fill the amount for them so that the customer doesn't have to enter it on their phone, but staff could enter it into your POS system. So thanks for watching today. I think this is going to improve things at a lot of our in-store brick and mortar retail merchants, where before we were linking to a Coinos web URL, and we still have that here on the card in case people want to open that in their browser. But a lot of Lightning wallets other than Coinos weren't able to handle those web addresses. So this should solve that problem, because now when they scan the QR code, they're going to be opening a LNURL, which most Lightning wallets can handle. And I think that's going to make for a better experience all around. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.